What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to appear offline in Arc Raiders. If you want to appear offline or invisible so your friends can't see you online or send invites while you're running solo, is exactly how it works on every platform. Arc Raiders does not have a built-in in-game option to appear offline. Your online status is completely controlled by the platform you are playing on. On PC, Arc Raiders uses your Steam status. When Steam is set to invisible, you'll appear offline in the Arc Raiders friends list even while you are actively playing. This works instantly, updates in real time, and doesn't require any mods or glitches. To do this on PC, open the Steam overlay while Arc Raiders is running by pressing Shift plus Tab. Open your friends list, click your status in the top right corner where it says online, select invisible. Once you do that, you'll immediately appear offline to all your friends. No invites, no pings, and it stays that way until you change your status back. You can also set Steam to invisible before launching the game for the same effect. On PlayStation, there is no Arc Raider settings for this either. You'll need to use PlayStation System status. Simply set your profile to appear offline and your friends won't see you online while playing Arc Raiders. On Xbox, it works the same way. Open your profile, change your online status to appear offline and you'll show as offline to friends while playing the game. Once you switch your status back to online, everything returns to normal. This is the best way to run solo raids in Arc Raiders without interruptions. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.